My name is Emilia, and in today's session I would like to tell you a bit more about the pronunciation of the ed ending of verbs in regular verbs in English. And that lesson is especially dedicated for those learning past simple. So lots of my students have problems pronouncing ed. That's mainly because there are three different ways of pronunciation of the end bit of the verb, ed. We can pronounce it as d, and that's with infinitives that end in the voiced sound. So now I'm going to read some verbs in the infinitive form, and also the verbs with the ed sound. So you will notice that the ed is pronounced as d. Example, play, infinitive, played. So at the end you can hear the d sound, d. Play, played. Dance, danced. Use, used. Call, called. So it's not called or called, it's called. Turn, turned. Move, moved. Believe, believed. Happen, happened. It's not happened, as some of you say, it's happened. Continue, continued. Change, changed. Offer, offered. Remember, remembered. Love, loved. Again, it's not loved, loved. Consider, considered. Serve, served. Stay, stayed. Kill, killed. Pull, pulled. Live, lived. Agree, agreed. Argue, argued. Boil, boiled. Borrow, borrowed. Clean, cleaned. Deliver, delivered. So here are the verbs, example of verbs after which we need to pronounce d at the end of the past participle form of these verbs. Here are the infinitives that end in an unvoiced sound. Normally, verbs that end in k, ch, sh, s, or x. So it goes this way. Cook, cooked. So it's not cooked, cooked, cooked. Ask, asked. It's not asked. Quite a few of Spanish speakers or Spanish students say asked. It's not asked. Asked, kt, asked. Reach, reached. Work, worked. And again, many people have problems with the pronunciation of kt, kt, kt. And they say cut, cut. So no, worked. Pick, picked. Like, liked. So you wouldn't say like it. You would say liked. Help, helped. Talk, talked. Watch, watched. Reach, reached. Walk, walked. Pass, passed. Miss, missed. Kiss, kissed. Push, pushed. Look. What do you think? Look at? Looked, looked. Attack, attacked. Kick, kicked. Park, parked. Relax, relaxed. Check, checked. Ship, ship. Finish, finished. Express, expressed. Touch, touched. And last but not least, the pronunciation of ed as it. And that's when infinitives end with the sound t or d. So if we have at the end of the verb t, we would say it. Let me show it. So want ends in t. If we want to add the past form, so ed, we would say wanted, wanted. Needed, need, needed. Want, wanted. Decide, so decide, although it ends in e, but the sound that what we hear at the end is not e, it's d, decide. So we add ed, decided, decided. Let's start again. Want, wanted, need, needed, decide, decided, start, started, provide, provided, include, included. So you can see provide and include, they both end with E. So there's E at the end, but we don't hear that E. We only hear D. For that reason, when we add the past form of the verb, so when we add the ending ed, we pronounce it as provided. Add, added, wait, waited, expect, expected, report, reported, assist, assisted, collect, collected, hate, hated, interrupt, interrupted, point, pointed, print, printed, select, selected, visit, visited, collect, collected again, correct, corrected, exist, existed, last, lasted, invite, invited, limit, limited. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you have any questions, please write to me. And practice makes perfect. So good luck. Stay in touch. Bye.